Today I'm talking about school out, and it's about a poem about schools. So it is by Joy Foster. Today I'm talking about teacher's poem. I hope you enjoy. Don't scrape chairs and don't be late. Play with doors or swing the gate. Don't make noises. Don't drop food. Whistling silly. Whispering rude. Never fiddle. Please don't shout. Never let your tongue pop out. Don't lose pencil. Bend with bed. No sharp pencil or plastic mag. Use your hanky, not your cuff. Never push and don't be rough. Mind the infant. Be polite. Wash the clothes. And never fight. Keep off garden. Don't pick flowers. Read this poem, but don't take hours. And this is from Peter Dixon. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy it.